Hi friends, welcome to a new video of Masters Academy. Second PUC Physics. Solution for Second PUC Physics Supplementary Exam Paper September 2020 Part 1st. Prepared by Santosh Kumar PK. One more questions. First question. What is the electric field inside a thin charged spherical shell? Answer, the electric field is 0. Or you can also write, the electric field due to a uniformly charged thin shell is 0 at all points inside the shell. Second question, define dielectric constant in terms of capacity of a parallel plate capacitor. Answer, dielectric constant of the medium is defined as the ratio of capacitance of a capacitor with medium as dielectric to the capacitance of the same capacitor with air as dielectric. That is, K is equal to C by C naught. C is the capacitance of capacitor with medium and C naught is the capacitance of the same capacitor with air. Third question, draw the curve to show the variation of resistivity as a function of temperature for copper. Answer, so this is the curve. Along x-axis you are having temperature, along y-axis resistivity. As temperature increases, the resistivity of copper increases exponentially. Next question, state Ampere circuital law. Answer, the line integral of vector B dot dl over the closed loop is equal to mu naught times the total current passing through the surface. Or you can also write just the equation. Line integral of B dot dl is equal to mu naught into I, where I is the current, B is magnetic field and dl is elemental length. You can write either the statement or also this equation, both carries mark. Next question, mention one use of eddy currents. Answer, here I have given 4 uses. You can write any one of these uses, that is application or use, magnetic braking in trains, magnetic damping in galvanometer or electromagnetic damping, induction furnaces, electric power meters. Next question, give the wavelength range of electromagnetic spectrum. The wavelength range of electromagnetic spectrum is from 10 to the power of minus 14 meter to 10 to the power of 7 meter. Next question, how does the power of the lens is related to its focal length? So the power of the lens is inversely dependent on its focal length, or you can also write P is equal to 1 by F, both carries mark. Next question, what is diffraction of light? Answer, the phenomenon of bending of light waves around the edges of small obstacles and spreading into the region of geometrical shadows is called as diffraction of light. Next, ninth question, name the SI unit of activity. The SI unit of activity is becquerel. You can write as becquerel or just you can write BQ. Which logic gate is used as an inverter? It is nothing but the NOT gate. Next, 2 more questions. Write any 2 properties of electric field lines. Answer, electric field lines start from positive charge and ends at negative charge. If there is a single charge, they may start or end at infinity. In a charge-free region, electric field lines are continuous curves without any breaks. 2 electric field lines can never cross each other. Electric field lines do not form any closed loops. Here you are having 4 points. You can write any 2. Next, 12th question. Define the terms drift velocity and mobility of free electrons. Drift velocity is defined as the average velocity with which free electrons get drifted towards the positive end of a conductor under the influence of an external electric field, and mobility is defined as the magnitude of drift velocity per unit electric field. Next, 13th, when does the force experienced by a straight current carrying conductor placed in a uniform magnetic field becomes maximum and minimum? Answer, force experienced by a straight current carrying conductor placed in a uniform magnetic field becomes maximum when current carrying conductor is kept perpendicular to the magnetic field, or you can also write when theta is 90 degree. And B, it is minimum when current carrying conductor is kept along or parallel to the magnetic field. You can also write it as theta is equal to 0 degree. 14th one, what is hysteresis? Mention the significance of hysteresis curve. Hysteresis is the phenomenon of lagging of flux density behind the magnetic intensity in a ferromagnetic material subjected to cycles of magnetization is known as hysteresis. And significance, The significance of hysteresis curve is the area enclosed by hysteresis curve represents energy dissipated or heat produced per cycle per unit volume by the substance. You can write it represents energy dissipated, or also you can write it as the heat produced. 15th one, the current through a coil of 2 millihenry changes from 0 ampere to 5 milliampere in 0.1 second. What is the EMF induced in the coil? So it is nothing but the expression for EMF induced is given by E is equal to minus L into di by dt. So E is equal to minus L is 2 millihenry, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3, and current changes from 0 to 5 milliampere, that is 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 minus 0 by 0.1 second. So it is minus 100 into 10 to the power of minus 6. It is nothing but minus 1 into 10 raised to minus 4, or it is 0.1 millivolt. You can write the negative sign or you can neglect the negative sign here. What is resonant frequency? Write the expression for resonant frequency. So resonant frequency, in a series LCR circuit, for a particular frequency of applied AC, the current in the circuit becomes maximum. This frequency is called resonant frequency. Or also you can write the impedance becomes minimum, that is Z is equal to R, or power dissipated becomes maximum, or voltage and current are in phase, or reactance of circuit becomes 0. You can write any these one of the point, that is current in the circuit becomes 0, or impedance becomes maximum, or power dissipated becomes maximum, or voltage and current are in phase, or reactance of circuit becomes 0. So you can write any one of these point and you will get marks. That frequency is called as resonant frequency. Expression, you can write omega naught is equal to 1 by root of LC, or f naught or nu naught is equal to 1 by 2 pi into root of LC. 17th one, mention any two uses of infrared rays. Here you are having 3 uses, you can write any two. Infrared waves are used in, infrared lamps are used in physical therapy, infrared radiations are used in long distance photography, that is electronic devices such as semiconductor light emitting diodes also emit infrared waves and are widely used in remote controls of TV, video recorders and hi-fi systems. Next, 18th one, write the limitations of Bohr's atomic model. Answer, Bohr's atom model have many limitations. First one, the Bohr model is applicable only for hydrogenic atoms. It cannot be extended even to mere 2 electrons such as helium. This model is unable to explain for the relative intensities of the frequencies emitted even by hydrogenic atoms. Bohr's model is also unable to account for intensity variations. This model cannot explain the observed fine structure of spectral lines. This model cannot explain the filling up of electrons in various shells and subshells. It cannot explain the phenomenon of Zeeman effect and Stark effect. You can write this single point as 2 points, that is, it cannot explain the phenomenon of Zeeman effect, it cannot explain the phenomenon of Stark effect. Have given 6 points, you can write any 2 of these for 2 mark. 3 mark and 5 mark questions of this supplementary paper will be uploaded in next video. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe our channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.